Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Yeni Heriani SPD as the English teacher of SMA Negeri 2 Kota Bogor. In this moment, I would like to explain the materials English Lintas Minat material, especially for the 12th grade of senior high school. The title is the discussion text. Okay, what is the discussion tag? Discussion tag is a tag that give two sides, pro or against, positive or negative, good point and bad point of the case. Okay, what is the purpose of discussion tag? To present at least 2 points of view about an issue. Now, what is the generic structure of discussion tag? There is an issue, argument, and also conclusion. An issue is the opening statement presenting the issue, and the second one, argument for different point of view. There is pro and cons. The first one, the element of the argument, there is the point, and the second one is elaboration. And then the elaboration can be conclude as the evidence, data, fact, yeah, example that support the argument. And then the the conclusion and recommendation. And then what is a significant lexicogrammatical feature of the discussion tag? The first one is use of general noun. For example, alcohol, abortion, smoking, cloning. And then use of action verb, has produced, have developed. Use of relating verb, example, to be, could, have, and cause. And for use of thinking verb, like think, feel, believe. And the fifth one, use of additive connective, like addition, furthermore, beside. And then the sixth, use of contrastive connective, example, although, even if, nevertheless, etc. And seven, use of causal connective, like because, yeah, and then because of. And then number 8, use modalities. For example, perhaps, must, should, and could. And 9, use of adverb of manner like hopefully, derivatively, etc. What is connective word? There are many kinds of connective in the significant lexicogrammatical of discussion text. So what is the connective? Connective words are words that link ideas so that there is a unity in a paragraph. Example, there is contrastive connective. For example, no matter how busy she still has to pray, has time to pray. Consequences connective. Consequent today, she forgot do her homework, therefore the teacher punished her. Here are the connective that usually used in the discussion text. Okay, you can see from the our my PowerPoint. Sorry. Here the example. There is in addition. The moreover, and then to, not only but also, beside it, and contrast, otherwise, yet, instead of, rather, whereas, non-tel, even though, this, a few, telling by, in contrast, yeah, in the consequences connective, there is eventually, then, and that case. Now compare the discussion text with the analytical and hortatory exposition text. There is the issue, there is argument. So but in the discussion text there is two argument, pro and cons, and finally there is the conclusion or recommendation. But in the exposition text there is thesis, argument and conclusion, and hortatory thesis, argument and recommendation. So what are they different? The argument in the discussion text are consist of 2 points of view. There is pro and con, but the argument in the analytical and hortatory exposition the argument is only 1 point of view that support the thesis. It can be pro or it can be uh, contra. The argument is purpose to strengthen the thesis. And then what are their similarity? They have the issue. The case sometimes issue is called a thesis. And what is the difference between discussion text and the debate? In the discussion text, we provide the conclusion, although we present different point of view. But in debate, two different point of view, but are in the separate group, and they string, they argument each other with the data, fact, example, to prove their argument is the best one, is the right one. Okay, now, can we call the debate is a part of discussion tag? Yes, we can. But there is a little bit different in debate. We didn't make a conclusion or a recommendation. Okay, thank you very much for this time for listening. Okay, see you for in the next meeting, in the next session, in the next material. And thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.